I tried out OPI's new product called Repair Mode. It claims to smooth and strengthen nails, causing less breakage and building new bonds from inside the nail. After 6 days of use, it also boldly claims that you will have nails 4 times as strong. So, for 6 days, I applied the product twice a day. Application was easy and it dried extremely quickly. That was a really good thing since you have to use it so often for 6 days straight. I could use the product and then move on to do other things. The product has a watery consistency, not a nail polish consistency. So be careful while applying it because it spills easily. Now let's talk results. First off, my nails started rough on day 1. My left thumb had a crack on the left, and my right index, middle, and ring fingers had some layers at the top that came off. On day 3, my thumbnail had a layer come off near the edge. Since my nails already started off pretty bad, I'm not sure if that was bound to happen anyway. By day 6, my right index finger, middle, and ring finger seemed better. The left thumbnail still showed the missing layer, so I decided to use the product a couple more times. Now for my overall thoughts. Personally, I had a tough time walking around for about a week with bare nails. There's one other way to use it if you don't want to keep your nails bare for 6 days. You apply 2 coats of it to your bare nails, then paint it with a regular polish as usual. After that, each day you paint the new growth with a layer of the product. At $25 per bottle, I feel like this product is expensive. As someone who is a bit of a cheapskate, it was especially tough for me to shell out those $25. But after seeing the results of my nails, I do not regret spending that much on it. I can honestly say my nails grew so long. I can't remember the last time I've been able to grow my nails like this. It actually got ridiculous and kind of dangerous for me, as I'm not accustomed to having such long nails. I eventually had to cut them because it was just too much for me, and I accidentally bent my thumbnail to the point of breaking it. I can't remember exactly what I was doing, but I do remember that it was definitely my fault. I was being clumsy. But anyways, one warning I have is to make sure to securely close the bottle. One time I thought I closed it well enough, but when I opened it again later, it had completely evaporated. So I obviously didn't close it well enough. It felt like $20 had just evaporated for me because of how expensive this stuff is. Overall though, I do recommend this product, and I have an Amazon affiliate link below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's what Kay says.